I'm Hillary and I am thrilled to show you these brand new activity books. This fun book is called My Year of Writing and it has 365 prompts for your child to complete every single day. It's going to give them a fun writing assignment like make a troll shopping list or name your own planet and tell us about it. You are about to be eaten by a dragon. How will you persuade it not to eat you? And your child has to come up with the reason why. These are super fun. It's going to get your kids writing every day. There are little illustrations on each page, as you can see. We also have A Year in My Life and My Year of Art. So if your child is interested in this style, you want to check those out too. We've got a new Fingertrail book. This one's Fingertrail ABC, big letters, and it's gonna get your child tracing letters on every single page as it helps them to learn those letters and letter sounds. So alligator with an accordion, bear in a bubble bath. They're gonna be tracing the letters and these fun finger trails as they're learning the letters and their letter sounds. Love these sweet little illustrations on every page. They are bold and colorful and fun. And then at the end of the book, your child can practice tracing all the letters in the alphabet. We've got a new Never Get Bored book. It's Never Get Bored, Draw and Paint. Inside, your children are gonna learn how to draw things like penguins, or how to draw fun outfits, or how to paint with their fingerprints. All of these fun ideas are designed to get your kids doing something. So instead of spending time on screens, they can get those creative juices going as they are learning to draw and paint. This brand new series is Look and Find Puzzles. This one's at the zoo, but there are several other options on the website. And it's going to give your child things to find on every page. So this is like a fun little seek and find book. Find 2 more little birds like me, count 3 hats. Can you find 3 other strings of flags? So it's gonna give your child fun things to spot on every page, and you can see how colorful and fun each page is as they go through this little theme of the zoo. I love having books like this in my car to entertain my children, whether we're driving around town or sitting in a waiting room. We have added several new stained glass coloring books. These are super fun. This one's princesses, but there are others on the website. You take the back cover of the book and put it under the page that you want to color. And then you can use crayons or markers or color pencils to color the picture. My daughter's done a little bit on this firework. And then when you're finished, you can hang it in the window and it will have a fun stained glass effect. So inside, there are lots of different designs. You're gonna be using that back flap just to put behind your picture as you're coloring. And then when you're finished, like I said, you can display your artwork and you get this little certificate that says, well done, you've completed this entire book. Usborne has a new activity book that's all about design. This book is gonna help your child to understand design, to learn some basic design techniques, but also give them plenty of opportunities to practice that design. So this is gonna get their creative juices going. It's gonna teach them things like how to use grids, or how to design a room, how to design their web page. So it's going to really help them to hone their design skills as they work their way through this book. One of my favorite new releases this time is Little Helper's Laundry Day Sort and Play. This book is so cute. It has a little washing machine full of clothes on the front cover, and when you open it up, you actually get to open up the washing machine and grab your clothes out. And these are all made of felt. They are adorable. Your child is gonna have so much fun playing with these on every page. Then you just close your washer back and it says, come on little helpers, let's open the machine. We'll carefully pull out the colorful clothes and fill up the laundry basket, ready to go. So you grab your laundry out and then it's gonna give them something to do with the laundry on every page. So on the first page, we're hanging everything on the line. So you just take your clothes and you put them on the line and they're gonna stay because it's got this little velvet up here for your felt to attach to. As you're reading this with your children, they're gonna have so much fun putting all of these clothes on the line. And then when you're finished with this page, you can take them back off. Then he shows them where to sort the pants. So he says to put the green pants on first, and then the blue pants, and the yellow shorts. So this is helping your child to learn how to sort and to listen to descriptive words. This book is so fun. Your kids are absolutely gonna love helping dog and cat to sort all the laundry. And at the end of the story, they get to dress the animals in clothes, which my kids thought was so fun. I hope that you find some great activity books to share with your kids.